Hello, welcome to this video about Geography A-Level. My name's Mrs Edwards and I'm one of the teachers that teaches the course. For Geography we follow the OCR qualification, and this qualification involves some different skills. So there is essay writing, there's also some pure knowledge based questions, there's a little bit of maths, there's also interpreting and evaluating graphs or images, looking at their usefulness. There's also an investigation, which I'll talk about in a minute. There are 3 exams at the end of the 2 years. The first one is a physical geography paper, and in that paper you will answer questions on 2 topics. One is coastal landscapes and the other one is called Earth's life support systems, and it's all about the water cycle and the carbon cycle, how they support all life on Earth, and also how people affect those cycles. The second exam is a human geography paper, and the topics that you study to answer questions in that paper are on migration and also on human rights, and on a topic called changing spaces, making places, which looks at different areas, their identity, how they change, how they might rebrand, and also why there are different inequalities in those types of areas, like in terms of economic inequalities or social inequalities. And then there's a third paper, which is called the debates paper, and for that paper you will be answering questions mainly based on 2 topics. One of hazards, so mainly volcanic and earthquake hazards, and the other one is a really topical subject that we do, the geography of disease. So yes, you'll be learning all about previous pandemics and the current situation we're in, and you'll write some long essays for those topics, as well as linking them to the other topics that you've covered in the physical and human papers. So that is 80% of the course, 80% of your grade through those 3 exams. So 20% left is a non-exam assessment, an NEA, which is basically coursework, and this is an investigation that you will do based on some field work. So you go on a field trip to learn how to collect data, bring that back, write it up, analyse it, come to some sort of decision or conclusion about a topic that you choose. It will be your choice. So why should you choose geography anyway, apart from it being really interesting? And all our students always say how interesting and they found the course. They really enjoy the content of it. Well, you should also think about the fact that by doing geography you're very employable. Employers like people that have done geography because it's got such varied skills included in it. And in fact there was a study a number of years ago for people that have done geography at a degree level and also psychology, and it found that these students were most likely to be employed after finishing their degree compared to other subjects as well. And also thinking about the varied nature of geography and all those different skills that you have to learn, it is important in the workplace, because as you move through your jobs and your careers that you'll have later, they will change over time, and you need to be adaptable and you need to have these transferable skills. And it's also very likely that you won't just have one job, you'll have a number of different jobs throughout the rest of your life, so these different skills could come in and be important at different times. So I hope that's given you enough information to have a good think about geography for you. If you have any more thoughts or questions, please do get in touch with the school, and we will be able to communicate back with some answers for you. Thank you for listening. Bye.